Welcome friends to Literature Mantra. I'm Harsh Singh, and in this video we'll discuss the new guidelines issued by UGC, according to which from now you can go directly from undergrad level to PhD. बीच में मास्टर्स करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Now see here, ये देखो आप, यहाँ पे हेडलाइन है बिजनेस स्टैंडर्ड की, and then we have another headline from the Hindu newspaper. ठीक है. So in this video we'll discuss what are these new guidelines and how you can directly go from undergrad level to PhD. But before moving ahead, if you want to connect with me, you can connect with me on Telegram. ठीक है. And this is the official link, Harsh Singh Sir Official, and this is a brief about me. You can read here, ठीक है? And one small announcement: if you are preparing for UGC NET English or MA English entrance for next year or Jamia's entrance for 2024, मतलब the entrance that will happen on the 11th of June this year, then you can join our test series as well as our regular guidance program. For any inquiries, just call or WhatsApp us on this number 7678160296. ठीक है? Now coming to the main issue. Now if you have done a 4 years bachelor's degree, ठीक है, then you can directly jump to PhD. Directly you can seek admission in PhD. ठीक है? And one more condition you have to meet: 75% चाहिए होते हैं आपको undergrad level में in a 4 years bachelor's degree program. ठीक है? और एक और बहुत खुशखबरी की बात है, but let me explain this first. See here, earlier candidates who had to sit for NET needed a master's degree with a minimum of 55%. ठीक है? Now at undergrad level, if you have 75%, that is enough. You can directly apply for PhD. बीच में masters करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. So what are these new guidelines? Now starting from the academic year 24-25, UGC has decided to use the NET scores for PhD admissions, eliminating the need for separate entrance tests. ठीक है, conducted by the universities and other higher education institutions. ठीक है. Now NET के थ्रू ही आप PhD में एडमिशन भी ले सकते हो. And UGC had constituted an expert committee to review the provisions of the exam. Based on the panel's recommendations, it has decided that NET score will be used for admission to PhD programs. This decision is aimed at streamlining the admission process and enhancing accessibility for aspiring doctoral candidates. ठीक है. So UGC ने ये randomly नहीं decide किया है, ठीक है? It is based on a panel's recommendation. So this recommendation and these new guidelines are here to stay. ठीक है? This is not something which UGC will withdraw. After careful consideration, it has arrived at this decision. The NET scores will allow universities to offer greater flexibility to students who can use their scores from either session to apply for PhD programs across various institutions. This initiative is expected to benefit students by reducing the burden of exam logistics and expenses. अब आपको PhD के लिए मल्टीपल एग्जाम्स देने की जरूरत नहीं है. एंड कीप इन माइंड दैट यू मस्ट हैव अ 4 year अंडरग्रेजुएट डिग्री. ठीक है. नाउ यू कैन डायरेक्टली अपियर फॉर नेट विदाउट हैविंग मास्टर्स. उसके बाद टू परसू PhD विद और विदाउट JRF, ठीक है, कैंडिडेट्स विल रिक्वायर मिनिमम ऑफ 75% और इक्विवेलेंट ग्रेड्स इन अ 4 year अंडरग्रेजुएट लेवल कोर्स. एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर दैट अभी तक जो गाइडलाइंस थे वो ये थे दैट इन मास्टर्स डिग्री यू हैव एटलीस्ट 55%, ओनली देन यू कैन सिट फॉर नेट. और एक और खुशखबरी ये है दैट इफ यू रियली वांट टू डू PhD, ठीक है, नाउ द फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इज दैट कैंडिडेट्स विल बी अलाउड टू अपीयर in a subject in which they want to pursue PhD irrespective of the discipline in which they have obtained the 4 years bachelor's degree. So इसका मतलब ये है that if you have done a 4 years bachelor's degree in subject ABC, you can go and pursue PhD in a subject XYZ. ठीक है. So आपको एक ही subject एक ही discipline में हमेशा के लिए नहीं रहना है. You can move to a different discipline based on your capacity to learn and based on satisfying the minimum eligibility criterion. That is all. And let me tell you one more thing. अगर आपने अभी तक इस चीज के बारे में नहीं पढ़ा, UGC's 3 category formula for NET. What is UGC's 3 category formula for NET candidates? Earlier there used to be NET with assistant professor, JRF and NET. दो थे. अब ये है for admission to PhD with JRF and appointment as an assistant professor category 1. For admission to PhD without JRF and appointment as assistant professor. ठीक है. उसके बाद for admission to PhD program only and not for the award of JRF or appointment as an assistant professor. These are the 3 different categories which will be given, which will be provided to candidates. So based on your requirements you can fill. Now before I end, let me remind you, if you are preparing for MA English entrance exam 2025 or UGC NET, just call or WhatsApp us on this number 7678160296. और अगर आप जामिया की तैयारी कर रहे हो for 2024, just join our test series. It will be highly beneficial for you.